Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put more than one picture on a page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put more than picture this page. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the picture option. Now we can see here many pictures. Then we select multiple picture. Press Ctrl on our keyboard and select some picture. Then click Insert. Now we can see here put it more than picture. Then we move this picture on the page and resize it. And set this page side by side. Now we can see we put it more than picture in this page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.